Good morning, student. Hope you are fine. Today we are learn performing calculations on data. So first I am going to teach you there are three types of operations perform for the calculation. Suppose we are going to add Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday data in total cell. So the simple and first step are known as first I am going to write equal sign. After that I am going to press the cell address of Monday. So here B4 is the cell address of Monday. B means the column of B and 4 means the row number. Column name and row number of the particular cell are known as cell address. After that I am going to press enter. I am going to press plus symbols. After that I am going to click on Monday. So you see the C4. C4 is the cell address of Tuesday. C is the column name and 4 is the row number. Again I am going to press plus symbols and again I am going to click on Wednesday. So you see the Wednesday column is D and row is 4. So here is D4. Again I am going to press plus symbols and again I am going to click on Thursday. So you see the Thursday column are known as E and row are known as 4. So E4 is the cell address. Again I am going to press the plus symbols and again I am going to click on Friday. So Friday column are known as F and row are known as 4. So F4 is the cell address of Friday. Again I am going to press plus symbols. Again I am going to click cell address of Saturday. So this is G4. So I am going to type G4 and press enter key. When I am going to press enter key, the result of these items, tables item will be displayed here. And when I am calculate the first column, I am going to double click on this fill handle. The black plus are known as fill handle and white plus are known as select any cell. So I am going to fill handle, double click on it or drag it. So if we click double click, the result of all total amount will be displayed. This is the basic and first step for the calculation. I am going to teach you the very simple step. This step is take so long time for the calculation. So we use some easy steps. Step number second. So I am going to select total and press equal sign. After that we use sum, the name of formula. After that I am going to use the bracket and we use the first cell address of Monday. After that I am going to use the colon sign. Colon sign means that the colon sign define the range of the cell, means that you have to write the first cell address and the last cell address. Okay, so this B4 is the first cell address and I am going to write the last cell address are known as G4. So I am write G4 and close the braces. If I press enter, so the result will be display. If result display, double click on fill handle and you have to see the all results. Understand? This is the second step for the calculation and I am going to write the basic and simple step for the calculations. Okay, so first I am going to select all these data along with total and I am going to press Alt plus equal sign or this is the auto sum. I am going to click on auto sum. So the result will be displayed. Understand? And again I am also use this calculation. So I am going to select all data along with total expenses. So I am going to double click or single click on auto sum. So result will be displayed. So this is the total result. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.